In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use the admin console in Asana. To keep things simple, we'll walk through how to find the console and what to look for once you're there so you can confidently review your organization settings. First, log into your Asana account. Use your preferred browser and sign in. Once you're in, you'll land on home or the last space you visited. If your account belongs to more than one workspace or organization, confirm you're in the right one because admin tools are specific to each. Next, look to the upper right corner of the screen for your profile picture or the account menu icon. Depending on how your account is set up, you'll see your initials, a small photo, or a circular avatar. Click that to open the menu. This menu is where Asana keeps your personal preferences and for admins, the entry point to the broader controls. In the menu, find the option called Admin Console. If you don't see it, your current role likely doesn't include admin privileges, and that's okay. You can still use Asana as normal. When the Admin Console is available, click it to open the dedicated admin area. Inside the Admin Console, take a moment to review the key sections. In Users, you can see who has access, how they're categorized, and which teams they're part of. This view helps you confirm that the right people are in the right places. Head to Billing to verify plan details, seat usage, and invoices. It's a good spot to confirm whether your organization is approaching seat limits or if any billing information needs attention, without making changes just yet. In security, review the policies that protect your data. You'll see options for authentication and access controls that shape how people sign in and what they can do. Getting familiar here clarifies your current safeguards. Then check Workspace or Organization settings. This covers high-level configuration like naming, available features, and defaults that influence collaboration. A quick review ensures the environment matches how your team works. Make changes only if you have admin or super admin permission. If you do, proceed carefully, read the on-screen notes, consider the impact on your team, and save changes deliberately. If not, a simple review still gives you helpful context. That's all it takes to find and review the admin console in Asana.